What's good? I'm up in here tonight and cut some light on, a little more light on. Okay. Oh, there. Oh, there we go. Now my other light want to act crazy. Oh, that's a little more better. I had to switch up the camera or switch up the phone because last time I went live, I've got some comments saying, "Hey, girl, the the video sound popping in and out." So I had to switch up the phone. So I'm on this right here. I normally was going on the other phone I got with I think it's have a better quality, but if you put some light on this phone, it's all good. Who up in here with me? Hey, on this Saturday evening, it been raining like cats and dogs earlier where I'm from. I was hoping it was gonna lighten up, which it did, because I was able to record some videos using the natural sunlight. But I had to hurry to get it in for the sun went down. So I'm happy about that. I was able to cook lunch. Well, I fixed lunch and dinner at the same time so I can get it out of the way. So I got the food done early. I recorded my videos. And I did something a little different today. I had did like a TikTok had sent me an outfit to try on. So I had did like a TikTok get ready with me ish video. Well, this ain't my first time. That wasn't my first time doing this, but that's my first time in a while. So that felt good to be able to do that again. I'm gonna be posting that on my YouTube. So if you ain't follow my YouTube yet, go ahead and follow it. It's the same name, Shantae's Appellation. I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of different little stuff on there. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be cute, and go ahead and go over there and subscribe. I appreciate you for even coming through on my live and following me here on Facebook, because we get it in over here as well. Today I'm going to be doing a Purple Passion Buzz Down. All right, Purple Passion Buzz Down, middle part, wig. It's like a lace frontal wig I made. I did a tutorial on it, on how to flexi ride your synthetic wig, well, the way I do it. And that's on my Reels channel, so check that out when you leave this, after this live. And what else? I did a how to cut layers in your synthetic wig on this same unit. And that's on my Reels page right now. And I recently recorded how to cut your lace, in the front. How to cut your lace front around your hairline. So if you bought a wig, from the hair store or whatever, you want to learn how to cut the lace off, I got you. I got to do the voiceover for that, and I got to edit it and all that good stuff. So that's coming out very soon. So stay on the lookout for that. And so I'm over here. I did all the prepping for the Purple Passion Buzz Down, so I'm about to go ahead and get it on in. And I did I'm gonna come out with eyebrow thread. Well, not eyebrow thread. I'm sorry, eyebrow fill tutorial. I just recorded that, and it's gonna be like a hack. So if you want some eyebrow tips, whatever, that's more of those coming out. And I have it's called a Tic Tac Toe eyebrow hack. I actually did that technique on on this, you see how it's like it still look full, but at the same time, it don't look like a Sharpie. So I'm gonna teach, how to fill in your eyebrows with my Tic Tac Toe hack or whatever. So yeah, but that being said, I'm about to get on to the Purple Passion bust down. So first I gotta take this off. Yes, this can come off. I heard you through the phone. You was like, hold on, this can come off? Yes. Fool around with me, you can take your updos off and put it on the mannequin head before you go to bed. So I'm about to take my updo wig off. It's getting the comb in the back getting caught up. Okay. Woo. There we go. Let me fix my cap. Oh yeah. I did a tutorial on how to put your own elastic band on your wig. So if you brought a wig or whatever, or if you have a wig at home and it's too big, I teach you how to put your own elastic band on as well. So this is the purple bust down I'm about to put on. It's the middle parts. And I already, like I said, I already had cut the lace on it. And I already cut in the layers and put the flexi rods on it and all that good stuff. It's my first time. Well, this ain't my first time putting it on, but it's my first time wearing it, on camera, on live. So here we go. Bald head. Shut up. You the only bald head one in here. Okay, so put it on. Oh yeah, before I put it on, let me show you the elastic band I was telling you about. This is the elastic band. So all my wigs are glueless. Well, unless you decide to put some extra stuff around your edges to hold it tight. But all my wigs are glueless and handmade. So okay, here we go. I ain't like how I think the elastic band was too low. So I had to, before I went live, I had to hurry up and redo my elastic band. So put the wig on. Oh, hold on. There we go. Okay. Now, when I had did I put some makeup right there so it bleed in my skin a little better. But when I had did my try-on haul for TikTok, I had put these little 2 ponytails in it. So I'm gonna say, what wrong with the world on my night? I had put these little 2 ponytails in it. To give it some personality, but I had it, all hanging down. So this is the purple middle part bust down. Let me cut this light down just a tad bit. I swear these lights be getting hot. Okay. There we go. You gotta smile with it. All right, so I'm going to take my handy dandy makeup brush and some eyeshadow, and I'm going to dab it in this middle part right here so I can blend it with my skin a little better. All right, and I'm gonna get this outfit messed up with this color, but it's all gravy. Okay, so I'm gonna use this like dark brown right here on the end, because when I did the other wig like this, and I like how it came out. Okay, so I'm just gonna just pat it up here. I like to put it like on the edge instead of like that, because it's gonna make like a big, it's gonna be like over the hair or something. So I like to put it like on the corner right here, so I can kind of like, make it thin enough just to put around on the part. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. I'm doing more lifestyle slash vlog-ish slash get ready with me videos. So stay on the lookout for that. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, subscribe, because it's going to be going down over there. All right. See how like that little piece right there is putting in more? I gotta put some more, but see how that is already putting in? Then I make sure I have like cause this is not a HD lace. So I gotta make sure I have like a dark brown cap underneath, and put the eyeshadow on top. See how that's blending in a lot better? That blended in pretty damn good. That blended in pretty darn good. Okay, I ain't get it too messy. So this is the Purple Passion Buzz Down. Yes, it's a synthetic wig, because I can make anything out of synthetic hair. You know what I'm saying? I'm that girl. So yeah, that's pretty much the bust down. I made this by hand. I cut it in layers, and I put the flexi bars and all that good stuff on it. Stay tuned for more Get Ready With Me videos. Stay tuned for more of the behind the scenes, like bloopers of my videos, and us going out eating, all that good cute little stuff, couple stuff. And so be all in the stories and get all entertainment in the stories, because we be having so much fun, and I be wanting to just capture every moment. Oh yeah, I'm looking at my little notes because I don't want to forget. Stay tuned for the back to school videos coming out. I'm going to be doing back to school hairstyles for college students, for kids, high school, middle school, elementary school kids. So if you're going back to school and if you need some styles, I should have cut my notifications off before I started. But if you're going back to school and if you need some ideas on some quick, easy tutorials, go ahead and follow me because I'm going to be putting out back to school hair tutorials. And that's coming out real soon. You know what I'm saying? And, oh yeah, if you haven't already, go ahead and, babe, get my pink shirt out the closet. Get my pink shirt out the closet. It's closer to the like to the left hand side. That pink Shantae Revelation shirt. You heard it right. I got the Shantae Revelation shirts for sale. I have aprons, hats, and I even have kids shirts. So if you want to purchase your merch, you can go ahead and go to my the link in the description, and you can go there and purchase your merch and all that good stuff. If you don't see it, don't worry about it. And yeah, and I also have all the information on my social medias right here in the description box below. I'm on Threads, I'm on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and all that good stuff. If you want to follow me on the other ones, you should be kept on the hanger. But and then don't ever ball it up. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is special. Okay, so here we go. This is Shantae's Appellation shirt with the logo on it. So if you want to purchase yours, you can. Just press the link in the description boxes. It should take you to directly, like straight to the merch site. Like, you gonna fly over there. Straight to the merch site. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be doing a whole revamp on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see that and participate in the polls and all that good stuff, you can go there. And yeah, appreciate all the feedback from the poll I just did. I did a poll on which hair tutorials you want to see most, like the wig or extensions, natural hairstyles, brow and cosmetics, braids, all that good stuff. So appreciate the votes and all that. That was very helpful. So yeah, by that being said, I'm about to get up out of here because that food smelling mighty nice, and I'm getting hungry after I just ate lunch. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and spend some time. Hope you enjoyed your Saturday. Sunday, fun day tomorrow, so I'm just gonna be up here, sipping and watching some movies with my family. And yeah, so I hope you have a safe night. And oh yeah, on that note, don't forget, there's no rules in creativity. Just have fun, be yourself, and just be safe. Long as you ain't hurt nobody. You know what I'm saying? All right. Y'all have a good night. Peace.